Hello, it's old Jim here. Today we're cooking pancakes. I've been cooking pancakes for many decades, and this is the best way I've found to cook them. So let's get started. Into a bowl add 150 grams of plain flour. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Also add 4 teaspoons of sugar. Mix all these lightly together with a fork. Into a jug add 300 milliliters of milk. And add 1 egg. If you like super fluffy pancakes, add 2 eggs. And briefly whisk with a fork. Then add 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And briskly mix everything together. Pour the contents of the jug into a bowl. And with an electric mixer, blend the ingredients until smooth. Pour the pancake mixture into a clean jug ready for pouring. The pan is on medium heat. There's no need to oil or grease the pan as the oil is in the mixture, and the pan has a good quality non-stick surface. The trick is knowing when to turn the pancakes. As the pancake cooks, little bubbles appear in the mixture. When most of the bubbles have burst, that's the perfect time to turn it over. As you can see, when the bubbles have popped, that's the perfect time to turn the pancake over. Cook the other side for about 1 minute. And flip over just to see that it's cooked. Then remove the pancake from the pan. I'm going to show you cooking a pancake in real time. I'll add some Zen music to help you relax.